Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language in DeepSeek AI. So we are going to head over deepseek.com, sign in for an account by using or clicking on the start now in here, and then you are going to see your account. Once you are here, you're going basically here to head over your profile. So we have this method so you can use your favorite language. So basically, it is going to be basing into the system language. If you're going to use a system language of English, you're going to find only the Chinese and also the English language. So you're going to head over the My Profile, then we're going to click on Settings. From here, we're going to see the general settings and also the profile. Now, for the general settings, it is going to head over the language and also the theme. So, for the theme, we have the dark and also light theme. Depending on the system useness, here you are going to get your specific theme. And for the language, we're going to have only here two languages. We have the English and we have the Chinese. So this one or the last one is going to be the system. If you talk, for example, English and your system is going to be French, for example, or German, you're going to have the German language added in here. So for more variety of languages, you can go ahead and download their app. So you can go ahead and click on Get DeepSeek app. You're going to download it into your mobile phone. And here, instead of the profile, get into the settings and you're going to see only two languages and also the system language, you're going to see a different variety and also categories of languages. So you can go ahead and put even the let's say here the most hard languages, you're going to find them in there. So basically here on the desktop version, it is going to be based on the system language and also the original language only. So that was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.